The conferment ceremony of the Star of Honor of the Republic of Indonesia, Adi Purna Award, by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Indonesia, bestowed to His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Philippines, will now commence. Speech by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Dr. Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency President Benigno Aquino, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here to witness the conferment of the Adipura Star to the President of the Philippines, His Excellency Benigno Aquino. This award is the highest honor given by the government of Indonesia to a foreign national. His Excellency President Aquino has made significant contribution to the strengthening of our bilateral cooperations in various fields. His commitment to promote the bilateral relations have opened up many new opportunities for our two countries. In the economic sector, for example, we have an average annual increase of 10.90% in the past 5 years. And our total bilateral trade last year was $4.5 billion. I am sure that these remarkable achievements will only increase in the future. His Excellency President Aquino shares my convictions that outstanding border issues between our two countries can be resolved peacefully through negotiation. Therefore, I am truly pleased that in May 2014, we have sealed an agreement on the exclusive economic zone boundary line. His Excellency's dedication for the cause of peace to respond to the separatist movement in the southern part of the Philippines is also evident by the attainments of the comprehensive agreement of Bangsamoro. Indonesia is proud that at the invitations of your government and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, we have been actively participating as a member of the International Monitoring Team in Mindanao since 2012. I am confident that building on that agreement, your country will be able to sustain lasting peace. Our two countries have also closely worked together in various regional and interregional forums, especially ASEAN. We appreciate the role and contributions of the Philippines toward the realizations of the 2015 ASEAN community. I must say, Indonesia looks forward to further our cooperation with the Philippines within the framework of ASEAN community. I believe that together we can build a stronger ASEAN based on mutual friendship and common values. Therefore, I am truly pleased to confer the Adipura Star of the Republic of Indonesia to His Excellency Benigno Aquino as a recognition of his immense contribution to the promotions of bilateral relations between our two countries, as well as toward regional cooperation and stability. Thank you.
The conferment of the Adipura Star Award of the Republic of Indonesia to His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Philippines by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Indonesia. Excellency, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency, Mr. Benigno S. Aquino III.
President Gutierrez, it is a distinct privilege to receive the Bintang Republic Indonesia. It humbles me to receive the highest honor from Indonesia and extend my gratitude to His Excellency, President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, and to the people of Indonesia for bestowing this upon me. When I visited your country in 2011, I spoke of the many words shared by the Bahasa and the Filipino languages. That is your word for love, Cinta, which sounds very similar to the Filipino word for love, which is Sinta. That is our shared word for child, Anak. More recently, I was told that we have the same word for return, which is balik, which I am very glad to have done today in your very beautiful country. Indeed, whether one looks at our languages, our histories, or our cultures, one can only find overwhelming evidence of the bonds that have tied our countries together through the years. It is no surprise then that our relations have always been characterized by solidarity and above that, the warmth of enduring friendships. In 1963, following the eruption of Mount Gunung Agung in Bali, the Philippines extended a hand to Indonesia. 7 C-47 aircraft flew from our country, brought paramedics and delivered relief goods and medical supplies to aid those affected. In our time of calamity, Indonesia in turn demonstrated true solidarity. Your generous assistance in the aftermath of Typhoon Haiyan earned the gratitude of the entire Filipino people. In an ever-shrinking globe, we are all beginning to see how, more and more, our fortunes are linked with those of our neighbors. The response of Indonesia, together with the international community, in such a critical time has instilled confidence in me that while the emerging challenges of the modern world may be formidable, we as one region and one globe can surmount them together. This award I received today represents the rich historical relations between our countries. On top of that, however, it is also a recognition of the boundless potential of our partnerships and of our continuing task of exploring areas of cooperation and increasing our synergies in every possible manner, all for the mutual benefit of our peoples. It is for these reasons that the Philippines remains committed to working towards strengthening and expanding our partnership with Indonesia. As His Excellency President Yudhoyono concludes 2 successful terms as President, he leaves behind a more vibrant Indonesia, one that has truly taken its rightful place as an influential voice and as a leader in the world stage. It is a testament to the exceptional leadership of President Yudhoyono, who has nurtured in so many countries a feeling that Indonesia is a reliable and constant partner. Mr. President, you have not only been a friend, but a big brother to so many nations. I can only assume that after leading Indonesia for 10 years, you look forward to a break from the pressures and problems of office. But given your sterling leadership, I also wonder if you will be even busier after your term with matters within and beyond the borders of Indonesia. Nonetheless, it is my hope that you will find the time to relax and perhaps even visit the Philippines for vacation. Today, Mr. President, I assure you that moving forward, the Philippines remains fully committed to enhancing the cooperation we have forged, to deepening our friendship with our neighbors, with whom we share common beliefs, ideals, and aspirations for a more prosperous global community. Again, terima kasih banyak for the award. And I wish Your Excellency good health, continued success, and some well-deserved relaxation after so many years of public service. And I wish the great nation of Indonesia continued peace, progress, and prosperity. Thank you.
The conferment, sir.